Hello, this video is for people who want the money in their savings account to make them more money. And it's super easy, so follow along. You can go to bankrate.com and they will sometimes update this front page. So regardless of what the page looks like, you want to find this savings and checking button. What we're doing is going for savings. So when it says what type of account, again, look for savings and click on it. Now, here is the fun part. You can put your deposit amount. Let's say you have $100. That's all that you're going to put into your savings, okay? That's all right. The next box is deposit type. Just make sure that these two boxes remain check marked, savings and money market. Your location, of course, you can change, and then sort by APY. And they're going to give you this list of banks that have these APY percentages for your savings account. And the account that will make you the most money is the one at the top with the highest APY percentage. And can I just say that your traditional savings account that you probably have your money in is a percentage so low, like zero point 0 something. So this is so much better already. All right, Dollars Savings Direct. If you click on it, it will go straight to the website for that bank. And here's an example of just following the steps to open an account. It's so easy. Look at these steps. It says information that you need to provide, like your name and address. This is all stuff that you know. So this is not overwhelming at all. This is very easily laid out, and you can do it. I'll just hit on this next website to give you another example. So I'm here and I'm just thinking, okay, how do I open an account? I'm a new customer. I'm just going to click around and see. Well, here we go, open an account. Click on that, and I'm a new customer. I guess I'll click here then. So you can see how easy this is, and just provide the information that they ask for, and you're on your way to a savings account that is going to make you money. Now, here is the big tip, and this is something that people just don't know. When you pick that savings account and you've got your money in there, the APY, that's going to change. That percentage will eventually change, but the bank feels secure that they've got you as a customer, so you're not going to just leave them. But guess what? You can leave them. You do not have to stay. You can always chase the highest APY. There's no rules against it. You don't have to pay any fee to switch your money into another account. There's no cards involved. There's no credit cards, no debit. This is just a savings account. And so what I do is once a year, every year, I'm going to go back to bankrate.com. I'm going to find this list, and the account with the highest APY is going to be my new bank, and I transfer my money there. I've done it 5 or 6 times, and you can too. So get that savings to make you some money. Thanks for watching.